So
Don't cry.
Don't cry, don't cry.
I'd like to thank my teachers, my first teachers, Peter, Imo, and my actual teachers, Jean, Imo, where is he? Where is Mo? I had a great time here. I made a lot of friends here. Korean team. A lot of Korean my Latin friends, my Brazilian friends too. So of course I miss you a lot, and I hope to see you again here in Brazil.
Yeah.
Or in Facebook. At York Scope 2014 in Brazil.
Yeah, that's true.
So thanks so much, my